Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the TradingView chart not moving. So starting off, you will first need to open up your chart so you can see that it may not be moving. There's a couple different ways that you can set it up. So the first one would be to open this, and you will see at the top of the page this undo button. So you can click on some changes that you might have done so you get back to the beginning, so your charts start moving. So maybe it was some of the changes that you've made that made the chart itself stop moving correctly. Other thing that you can do is to go ahead and remove some background apps that are working, so you may not have real-time information about a certain stock you're looking at. Also to clear cache and data within your browser. These are all different things that can slow you down and uh, not give you up-to-date information about certain stock that is out there. So once you've set all of that up, you should have no worries about this stock in particular bothering you. So you don't have to uh, spend your time worrying about if the stock is working properly or not. So the main way would be to revert the changes that you made to the chart. So bring it back to the state when it was functional and then trying to improve your connection. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TradingView or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.